Close your eyes
Oh,
and listen.
shadow.
Really listen.
Oh, shadow.
What you hear right now,
Oh, shadow.
the hum of a refrigerator, the distant rumble of a car, the faint buzz of electricity.
Hey,
is a
hello?
modern
Can you hear
invention.
me?
Tonight,
A,
we're going
B,
back
C,
to a
D,
time
E,
before
F,
the
G.
news.
Someone.
What's the number of jelly beans in a jar? Measure its height and its radius. Then multiply pi by the radius cubed. This will
to cure, but a place to inhabit. We will discover what human beings heard and what they dreamt about when the world was truly quiet. Here is something almost nobody tells you. That thing you do every night, closing your eyes for 8
This
straight hours,
Irish word
believing it
power.
is entirely